Hey guys, what's up? Natalie here from SERPWizz. And if you are looking for a lead generation tool that will give you white label audits for your website, then we definitely have that for you. As you can see on my screen right now, I am on the landing page for SERPWizz. And if you scroll down actually just a little bit, you will see here that we offer a free guide showing you how SERPWizz is generating agencies an additional 3,437 per month on autopilot. So if you're interested in getting that or benefiting from that, then definitely fill up this short form and click on the find out how. Also, don't forget to subscribe or to agree to be added to the SERPWizz mailing list. Alright, so that's it for our PSA for today. Let's go and discuss our main topic for this video, which is still of course about SE ranking and their tools. As you can see here, I am already on the projects dashboard for SE ranking, and today's focus will be on another tool that I offer, which is Search Volume Checker. Now, while I was exploring this tool earlier, I found out this is actually an observation I have with SE ranking. It's just sometimes, or maybe depending on the subscription that you have, there are times where they charge or they ask for specific amount so that you can accomplish like a query, for example, as you can see here. And you have to have a balance in your account to be able to access that tool and utilize it fully. So here, as you can see, our current balance is 0, and this is because of our subscription type, and we won't actually be able to use this because per search query you will be charged this much, or it's not really that much, but still you have to be careful and you have to be aware of when you're doing let's say you're performing task that requires you paying for an additional or stuff like that. So that's one observation I have here with SE ranking, as I have been using their tools throughout this series. So of course, still I want to give you an idea of what it looks like and how it works, so I'm still gonna discuss this a bit, although of course we won't be able to utilize it as I have mentioned earlier. But yeah, Search Volume Checker, it offers statistics on the search volume a specific keyword gets on Google or Yandex per month. This data will help you predict the traffic volume, evaluate the quality of your semantic core, and discover which keywords can be removed so that you won't waste resources on promotion. And then here you actually can select a source, either Google Keyword Planner, for that one, that's just the one showing up, and then select country and region. So for us, if we would be, utilizing this tool or using it, we would select the UK because that's where we are based, and you have to enter the region name. And then also here you have a text box where you can enter keywords, and you can also import keywords if you find that faster or more efficient for you instead of just manually typing everything. So as I've mentioned here earlier, this is where you get to check how much you have to pay for the specific search query that you're doing, and here you would be able to see how much the total amount would be for your queries. And then afterwards you can click start check here if you're all good with everything that's here, and if you agree with the payment, then definitely hit start check button and you would be or your query would be processed. So as for how it's gonna look like, unfortunately I won't be able to show you because of the limitation, but I just wanted to really discuss it quickly, just so you have an idea of what the tool looks like and what the process is. So that is actually it for Search Volume Checker. I hope even though we haven't fully or weren't able to fully access this tool, I do hope that you still found this video useful and beneficial. And if you're interested in sampling this tool, then of course you can head on over to SE ranking, sign up for an account for yourself, and explore as much as you want. Because even though there are limitations, there are still, of course, many other things that you can do. And also, don't forget to visit SERPWizz.com and also give this video a like and some comments if you have some takeaways, and of course subscribe to our channel as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.